to go first so that I can pin them on the screen?
I don't mind going first.
All right, Fatima, I'll pin you then. Rest of you can mute yourself. Video on rakhiye. You can mute yourself.
Hello everyone. So I'm Fatima Fanuswala and I am currently a practicing psychologist. I work as a college counselor for the SMES colleges. I have been associated with Ichars from my college days, and I have really liked how Nitin sir and Misbah ma'am work. This relationship counseling is something that is used in our everyday practice very often, and I know that their way of teaching, I have been a student with them since a very long time, and so hence I took up this course. And my takeaway from this was I now know better how to communicate with clients, such that I know कि अगर मुझे relationship counseling करना है, what will my format be, what will they gain out of it, and what is the flow of it. So like I really like how we did the cost benefit analysis in a proper cognitive way. I really liked how we did a literal and inferential thing. And I like how today we understood how money would make a difference in each relationship, and how then we can, as counselors, how we can handle it if a client comes to us with what kind of concerns, how to identify them, and then how to guide them through it.
All right. Thank you. Thank you, Fatima. Who's going next? Okay, one second. I will pin next. Yes, Megha.
So, good evening, everyone. And my name is Megha Sodankar. I am from Mumbai, and I am already a practicing counseling psychologist. I work with children as well as adult clients, and mostly in relationship issues. So, this relationship counseling course, I'm repeating it twice. And Ichars really have this facility that once you do the course, they ask you, even if you want to repeat it, you can repeat first time free of charge. And that's really means it is like a hand holding, you know. And the most beauty of this course is the format is so structured, you know. So when once the client comes, like when we really get very confused when there is a client for relationship counseling, because it is not only one person, there are two people, you know, involved in this process, and everyone is arguing and blaming each other. But here Misbah has actually clearly told us like how to go about, even though there are two partners or one partner is coming, and what is important. So she has given full structure, session 1, session 2, session 3, and it is really awesome. It has cleared all our, you know, myth about relationship counseling and the challenges what we actually face as a counselor. And my takeaway is actually the whole course is a takeaway, but the beauty is communication model where we psycho educate the client about their love language, about their suggestibility, about their sexuality, which is very important. Unless you come to know about this, it is not possible for even client to go further into their relationship. So it is really a deep dive into this course, and I really highly recommend, I appreciate and highly recommend to all other counselors who are particularly looking for relationship counseling. And my experience was really awesome. Thank you, Misbah. Thank you, Nitin, even though he is not here, and all other team members today. Thank you very much.
Thank you, Megha. I think we all did our part. Thank you so much. Who's going next? Okay, Parvi, you are going?
Can you hear me?
Yeah.
I'm so sorry, I have not mentioned Divya's name. That doesn't mean Divya is not there. So I said that whole team.
Yeah.
Divya, sorry.
It's okay. I'm sure it happens.
Hello everyone, I'm Parvi Gala and I'm a student currently pursuing psychology. I'm in first year. I have been associated with Ichars through one internship, which was eclectic approach to psychotherapy. I really enjoyed it. I got to learn so many concepts, and that's really intrigued me to even join more courses at Ichars. It's just that their internships have a really new approach. Like it's so structured, and it makes you feel that psychology is practical and not theoretical, which college makes you feel that. So it just gave a really different outlook. Like I I really had that stereotype that, you know, psychologists does just give suggestions, and I knew that to some extent they do give suggestions, but here I really got to know that it's nothing about suggestions and it's only what client feels. And my takeaway from this relationship coaching is that it just I got to learn so many new technical terms which I never knew, and I don't even know that I even learned them in college. I don't know, but I just got to learn so many things and how it was so structured and how are you supposed to communicate with clients. That's what I really got to learn. So the practical part of it was really that I just took care of it completely. And in future, I'm so sure that I'm going to join more and more courses here. So thank you, Divya ma'am, Misbah ma'am, and Nitin sir.
Thank you. All the best. All right, who is going next?
Yeah.
Rashi? Okay, yeah.
Hello everyone. So I'm Rashi Agarwal. So I have been practicing like as a counselor, but it was mostly I was a child counselor and I used to do this like parental counseling and all these things. So I gradually wanted to move towards relationship counseling, and this is where Ichars helped me a lot. And like this course is amazing. I will say it may seem like a 4-day course, but it's a very exhaustive course. It helped me to understand myself. It helped me to understand my clients as well. I am studying psychology. I'm doing my master's in psychology as of now. But I think whatever I've learned from the course, like it's very, like it's more than like, it's really amazing whatever I've learned. I have also learned how to apply psychology in practical life, how to apply the study of understanding of the psychology through this course with the clients, especially the chronology, like how will I go about it in first session, second session, in all the sessions, how will I deal with the conflicts if at all they crop up. And I really love the way Misbah ma'am and Divya ma'am explain concepts to us. I really love their patience, their level of patience when we came up with all kinds of questions. And I really enjoyed the course with all other of my team members. And I'm looking forward to do more courses from ICHRs apart from my like whatever, like I'm apart from my master's in psychology. I will be joining, I'll be coming in future for more courses, and I would highly recommend the courses from Ichars to everyone.
Thank you so much, Rashi. All the best. Neha?
Sure. So my name is Neha Modi, and I'm a practicing counseling psychologist since past 15 years. I'm a CBT and REBT practitioner. I'm a clinical hypnotherapist. I'm an angel therapist and reader and healer. And I'm also very much keen into, I have done my diploma in training and development as well. And connecting to Ichars was, I would say, coincidence. It wasn't planned as such ever, but just came across through a friend, and I was looking for some other course, and I connected with Nitin sir, and I'm fortunate enough, I would say, that I connected with him, and just few sentences from his end, and I felt that connection, and I felt that genuineness in his voice, that I was convinced immediately to join this course, even though I was not looking for, very frankly. And once I joined in, I was again not very sure whether I'll get what I really want to, but trust me, I got more than I was looking for. So Misbah and Divya, I am greatly thankful to both of you. Uh, because as a professional, I understand the complexes that clients come up with. So the queries, the questions, the confusions, especially being in this relationship counseling coaching, it's very sensitive area, and dealing with it with great sensitive, dealing with it with great patience, and how do we deal with it, the structure, the session wise. So these details when discussed, and practically when we actually practiced it during the sessions, was the best part which I loved in the entire course that we did for 4 days. And so it was a very great learning experience. And yes, I'm looking forward for more connections with Ichars. Nitin sir, I would want to personally hear him, and do some course with him as well. So thank you so much, Misbah, Divya, and Nitin sir, and all the co-participants. It was really honestly wonderful. Thank you.
No, any specific takeaway, Neha?
So my takeaway was all the models that we covered, and how session wise particularly we come to the conclusion, we talk about the problem statement, we talk about the outcome statement, and it's not about what we therapists think in our heads, but it's ultimately what people and the clients want out of their own relationship. So models is something which I was greatly influenced with. Thank you.
Thank you so much. I hope I've covered everybody.